Hello friends, today we will discuss about Reliance Jio 4G 850 MHz installation running in this video. So if you are new, then please subscribe my channel because in this channel you will watch all technical video related to tower and other thing also. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so guys, now we made this diagram, okay, itself, okay, and we can see here this is antenna, and behind the antenna RRU mounted on pole, and this is GPS antenna, and you can see how cable is cable routed on cable ladder, okay, and here you can see black, this is jumper which is connecting from antenna to RRU, okay, and uh, green and green color, that is grounding cable. So we will know about more for this in this video. So see, GSM antenna 850 megahertz, okay, so we are using GSM antenna 850 megahertz for 4G because our 4G uh, would be running on 850 megahertz, and also we need to use RH antenna that is also support 8 megahertz band, because both need to support same frequency band antenna and RRU, so that it could sync through jumper RRU to antenna. And also, yes, and we are using jumper cable. We can see here this is black and this is jumper cable which is connecting to antenna to RRU, and we need to also connect RET cable to control electrical tilt remotely. So you can see this cable is going from antenna and connecting to RRU, and we are also giving power for power up to RRU. So we need to take power from power plant. You can see we need to we are giving DC power to RRU. So same for same same thing you need to do for all three sector. Okay, so red is power cable for RRU, and optical cable we are also using to connect CDU to RRU. CDU is a cabinet digital unit, okay, and CDU support 2G, 3G, and 4G. So I will tell more detail about CDU in this video, okay, in later. So this is optical cable. Optical cable called also CP cable, and now we can see here GPS. So GPS antenna we are using for all 4G site, okay. If 4G site is there, if 4G technology is there on site, so GPS antenna must there, it should be there, GPS antenna on site. And also we need to connect a GPS feeder, because we need to connect a GPS to CDU, so in between using GPS feeder and surge arrestor also. Now we can see green color, this is grounding cable. So grounding is very important to ground all hardware and equipment. So we can see here how we are grounding here. So first you need to take grounding from earthing chamber. This is main your earthing chamber, and you need to ground cable ladder, and then you can take from cable ladder grounding for RRU and antenna also, okay, and you need to also ground antenna pipe, okay. So the same you need to follow for all three sector for grounding cable, okay. And as I said, this is pole where mounted GSM antenna and RRU, and we are also using concrete slab, concrete slab here, okay. So how many concrete slab we need to install here, it depends on weight. So we are calculating weight for first for this pipe, how much weight is there on pipe. So according to that we are installing concrete slab here. So now we are using only single one concrete slab, because weight is not high. If we will if here if we are installing two RRU behind the antenna, so weight would be high, so we can install two more concrete slab on each sector, okay, here below. And this is cable ladder. So cable ladder we are using for better cable routing. And as I told you, this is main earthing chamber. You need to take grounding for all hardware and equipment or power plant from here. Here this is alpha sector. On alpha sector, how you can identify? Okay, so alpha sector generally, if blue color tape is there 3 times means alpha sectors, and 3 times means 850 megahertz. I mean, if blue tape is there means alpha sector. If blue tape 3 times there on jumper, it means 4G 850 megahertz. Okay, so same we are using for 3 times tape for beta sector also. So in beta sector we need to use red color tape on jumper cable or other cable also. And for gamma sector we are using green color tape. Okay, so you need to do 3 time tape on all cable. Okay, so 3 times means, as I said, 850 megahertz, and green color means your gamma sector. So this is our alpha and beta and gamma. You can say first sector, second sector, and third sector, like that. Okay. So here also we can see for 850 megahertz should be 3 time tape on jumper, RET, power cable, and optical for each sector. Okay, so you need to mark 3 time tape on all cable for all sector, antenna and your cabinet end also, so that you can verify from say ODC cabinet and also which sector is going for, this side or this side, sector which side is going. Okay, left side or right side, or this front side. Okay. So this is our CDU. So this CDU we are using on Reliance Jio 4G side. It support 2G, 3G, and 4G, because we are using in this CDU L9CA card. L9CA card is optical card. So we are connecting CP cable here, and we are also using OMA card. OMA card is main card. Okay, OMA card support software, and we can log in from OMA card. We can do troubleshooting, and also we can connect here a backhaul cable, and GPS cable we are also connecting here. Okay. So we have power port here. We need to connect power cable here, and this is our FNMC4. This is our fan module. Fan module we are using for cooling purpose of CDU, and here we can see dust filter. Okay. And this type antenna we are using on Reliance Jio 4G side for 850 megahertz, because we can see 3 time tape, blue tape here. So this is our first sector antenna. So same type, 3 time tape you need to mark for all, for beta and gamma sector also, but you need to change tape color. For beta you need to use red color, and for gamma you have to use green color. Okay, but you need to mark 3 times. This type RRU we are using on tower. Okay, so RRU has also 4 port, we can see here. Okay, so in this RRU we are connecting power cable and CP cable, and also RET cable, and also you need to ground. Okay, you can see here we are grounding also RRU here. Okay, and now also we are using Cisco ASR router on Jio side, because if however we are connecting in this router, and we are getting a media from this, because we are connecting backhaul cable here and connecting to our CDU. Okay, and also we have here earthing bar. Okay, so we need to connect main cable from earthing bar, and then we need to connect here all power plant grounding, DCDB grounding, CDU grounding, and routing grounding here. Okay, and bolt bolt and nut should be tightened here. Okay, don't make loose like that. Okay, so so guys, so generally this type configuration using Jio on site, and as we know that Jio using 4 type tower for 4G technology, and first is our rooftop, second is rooftop pole side tower, and third is greenfield, and fourth monopole. Okay, so this type we can not see more. Okay, so few site we can see Jio like that they are installing. Okay, ladder you can see on site, and this type configuration. So generally this type ladder, and this type they are using pole and concrete on rooftop site. Okay, so guys, I hope this video also will help you for interview, and also if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, and you will watch more technical video here. So guys, I think this is good for you. So thank you guys. We can meet for in next video. So bye bye.